Congrats to another street circumstance. What doing? Vandaag is cool. It's doing. So yeah, today I'll finish assembling the car, give it a quick wash, and then yeah, we might take a drive, a POV video. So yeah, today I'm just gonna assemble the car and then we'll see where we take it from there. Let me get to it. Light number one in. What's this? Headline washer pipe was giving me problems, but I managed. So light number one in. Now it's time for the second light to go in. Okay guys, the car is almost done, so I've reassembled everything. So now the only thing that's left, it's the headlight washers, both sides. So now I'm just gonna quickly wash the car and then we work on changing these bioxneons to xenons. Yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so this is the standard bioxneon, and then under the light it has a ballast. So I'm gonna swap from this to this because my ballast is dead, and yeah, the ballast is expensive. So what I'm gonna do is try and find the power supply from this one, because if I'm gonna take it straight from the light wire, then I'm gonna start encountering problems because it's gonna burn this. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is find, because yeah, there's a connection here. So here I'll just find the ground and positive for this one that connects here, and then try and connect these ones, then we have light. So yeah, basically that's what I'm gonna do. And then actually I'll swap them both, because these bioxneons are not that visible at night. Driving at night feels like I'm still driving with the brown bulb. So yeah, rather switch to the LEDs and see, and then I'll tell you the quality of the visibility when I'm driving. But with these ones, I obviously know that the visibility is bad at night. Hardly can see the road. So yeah, I'm gonna try the LED and then I'll tell you the results. So yeah, let me quickly connect and then I'll show you guys how they look. Let me get to it. Okay guys, so I'm done putting the LEDs. Looks cleaner. So I just disconnected the fog lamps. I disconnected the fog lamps, not the fog lamps, the park lights, so it can like use the indicators as park lights. So this is what happens, like they stay like this. Okay, I'll demonstrate. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna leave them for now until I get some park lights ready. Stay tuned for another video on street circumstance. Sharp.